Hey y'all, I'm eating supper or lunch, whatever meal this is. It's 11 o'clock. I'm eating at home. I went to work this morning. I woke up at 5:30 and couldn't sleep and went to work early, got in there, and I could not think straight. I was just making all kinds of mistakes. I was like, nope, I'm going back home. So I did. So I'm gonna this is my 6 ounces of 93% ground beef and 6 ounces of 93 and 80/20. Yeah, I'm still medicine head right now. Anyway, yeah, I've got some good medicine head right now. I'm gonna put on a little adobo and I'm gonna put on a little bit of paprika. I don't want something too seasony, but anyway, so that's what I'm going to put on there. And that's what I'm going to have for lunch today. So my motto is soup is for sick people. That's just how I've always felt. And since I'm sick, that's a good time to have some of my Rayo's tomato bisque soup. So I've got one serving, which is a half cup of the Rayo's homemade tomato basil, and I'm going to do half of a serving, which is 30 grams or 2 tablespoons of the Rayo's Alfredo. So 30 grams of that. There we go. So I'm going to pop this in the microwave just a second here. Along with the Rayo's, I've got 7 ounces of pork chop and 200 grams of the jicama. That is the skillet fried jicama. So I just poured it in there to eat it all. And then here is my sick people soup, because soup is for sick people. That's just what I've always thought, and I can't help it. So there we go. That's what I'm having for my supper tonight. And here's my macros for the day. Have a good night, everybody.